Hello guys, welcome to SimTech Hub. In today's video, I want to show you guys how to deposit money to your MemeFi wallet. You know, MemeFi will be listing their airdrop very soon, and during the withdrawal process, we need to pay some gas fee, okay, to withdraw our MemeFi tokens to wherever we are withdrawing to. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to deposit money to your MemeFi wallet so that you can use it as a network fee or gas fee, okay, so that you'll be able to withdraw your airdrop whenever they list it. Okay, so without wasting my time, let's go to our Telegram account. Then we click on our MemeFi coin. Okay, so this is MemeFi dashboard, and we have to click on this wallet. Okay, as you can see, I have zero balance, $0 in my account. Okay, and I'll be showing you guys how to deposit money to this wallet so that you can use it as a gas fee when you are withdrawing your MemeFi airdrop. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is to check this. Okay, MemeFi will be running on Linea network. Okay, this Linea network, you have to check it. Okay, and we have to know how to make the deposit. They say we should deposit Ethereum that run on Linea network. Okay, so we'll be depositing an Ethereum coin to this account, and the Ethereum should run on Linea. Okay, so these are instructions that you need to follow. Okay, but I will show you guys how to do it properly. Okay, so to deposit money to this wallet, you have to make sure you have maybe some few bucks in your crypto wallet, whatever crypto wallet you are using. Maybe you are using Bybit or OKS or any crypto wallet. You have to make sure you have enough money inside. Okay, so let me go to my Bybit. I use Bybit to do these transactions. Okay, so let me use Bybit. Okay, so I'm in my Bybit account, and I will click on the assets. Okay, so I have some money in my funding account, $4.8, okay, which is in Ripple. So I have to convert this Ripple to Ethereum because I need to deposit Ethereum to this wallet. Okay, and the Ethereum should run on Linea. Okay, so first I need to convert this to Ethereum. Okay, so I'll convert my Ripple, this Ripple to Ethereum. I'll click on this convert. Then I choose from Ripple to Ethereum. Okay, so I have converted it to Ethereum right now. And to make the transaction, we have to go back to our MemeFi account. Then we click on this Ethereum, this ETH. Then we click on deposit. Then we click on this to copy the address. Also, we have to make sure the network runs on Linea. Okay, so we copy this address. Then we come back to our Bybit. Okay, then we click on the Ethereum. Then we click on withdraw. Then we enter the address we copied from the MemeFi account here. Okay, so let me enter my address. Then the network, I'll choose Linea because they said we should use Linea network. You have to use Linea network so that you'll be able to receive the money in your wallet. Else you will lose your money if you use any other network. Okay, so I'll choose the network. I'll select Linea. So I'll choose Linea. Then I'll enter the amount I want to withdraw, or I can click on the max if I want to send all the money to this wallet. Okay, so I'll click on the max. Then I click on withdraw. So I have to confirm if I'm surely doing the withdrawal. Okay, so I'll confirm. Then I enter my password. Then I go to my Google Authenticator because I have set two-factor authentication on my account. So I go to my Google Authenticator. Then I copy my Bybit. This is my Bybit Google Authenticator, then I paste it, then I confirm. So I have done the transaction. Okay, I have confirmed the transaction and it's processing. So I'll click on the OK. Then I click on this to check the transaction history. As you can see, the Ethereum is under review. Okay, so I'll wait for a little more time, maybe 3 to 5 minutes for it to complete. Okay, so let's wait a little bit. And as you can see, the withdrawal is completed. Okay, so let me go to my MemeFi account to check if I have received the money. So I'm back to my MemeFi account, and as you can see, I received the money. Okay, let me refresh this browser. Yeah, as you can see, I received the money. Okay, the money is sitting right here in my account. Okay, so this is how to deposit money from your wallet to your MemeFi account. Okay, and you have to make sure your Ethereum runs on the Linea network. When you are sending the money to your MemeFi account, you should make sure the Ethereum runs on Linea network so that you'll be able to receive it like this. Okay, so I have successfully received the money. Okay, this is the Ethereum, yeah, sitting right here in my account. Okay, so if this video helped you to deposit to your MemeFi wallet, then please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.